Themba Mliswa, refrain from dragging our esteemed defense forces into your unfounded and misleading claims. The vehicles allocated to colonels were purchased by government using taxpayer funds, not through individual donations. Ndizadabena mashoko kuda pangwa inwe maresponses oitwa kuna Themba Mliswa pamusoro mautterances akaita to the ZDF. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu aimobdanyu kwa mchenzi. It is essential to understand that the defense forces follow a structured procurement system, and it is implausible for any individual to single-handedly fund military operations due to their prohibitively expensive nature. The allocation of vehicles to colonels is a standard benefit that comes with their rank, not a politically motivated maneuver. It is crucial to avoid spreading falsehoods that create a misguided narrative for political gain. Notably, colonels represent only a small fraction of our defense forces. It is illogical to suggest that the distribution of vehicles to colonels implies that any individual, including Tigray, has control over the defense forces. Our defense system is robust and cannot be influenced by individual interests. It is time to put the facts straight and end the misinformation. Themba, I implore you to have respect for our defense forces, incited by Gifford Gongwe. Ndo mashoko anoita kwa pangwene na Gifford Gongwe achi rabisha ma utterances akaitwa na Mliswa ekuti Tigray ava nemapowers ekurana the ZDF achiti iritore property yeZANU-PF. Zvada ZANU-PF ndo zvinongoita ZDF. Mashoko ari kutaurwa panguva ino naGifford Gongwe achidhispisa mashoko iwayo achiti Themba Mliswa nyarara zvauri kutaura. Zvimuri yeZimbabwe munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Kudhishwa kwakaitwa mamotor vehicles panguva ino iri critical iri kuonekwa kunzi pane mapower plays ari kuitika muthe ruling party ZANU-PF angangoda kungospilla into a coup. Pinda comment section medu nzi mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like wachinoturn on the bell icon.